This 2026 Alliance RV Delta Solo ML 166 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Wheat Ridge, Colorado, 80033 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Wheat Ridge. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV is 19 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.